Empty highway, painted gold, stories that the asphalt told. Just the hum of tires on the black, no one coming, no turning back. Telephone poles like a steady beat, counting out the miles, bittersweet. Sun dips low, a hazy gleam, lost inside this country dream. Then a shadow on the far-off line, something growing, a slow design. Metal giant, dust and toll, getting closer, watch it grow. Haystack drive-by, sunlight in its eye. Haystack drive-by, watch the colors fly. Chrome flares bright in the fading light. Haystack drive-by, kiss the day goodbye. Ooh. Bells are stacked up in a row, counting them, the rhythm slow. 1, 2, 3, then 4, then 5. Feel the country come alive, engine groans a steady sound, turning fields to golden ground. Blades are catching sharp and keen, edging out the final scene. Now it's closer, can't deny the giant moving through the sky. Metal monster, dust and toll, getting closer, watch it glow. Haystack drive-by, sunlight in its eye. Haystack drive-by, watch the colors fly. Chrome flares bright in the fading light. Haystack drive-by, kiss the day goodbye. Ooh. The engine stops, the blades go still, sitting silent on the hill. Lights are off, the world holds breath, waiting for a golden death. Just a silence, deep and wide, nowhere left for us to hide. Oh. Haystack drive-by, sunlight in its eye. Haystack drive-by, watch the colors fly. Chrome flares bright in the fading light. Haystack drive-by, kiss the day goodbye. Engine idle, soft and low, amber fades and shadows grow. Fade to brass, the day is done, waiting for the morning sun.